This video is for Sessa's Plumbing and Heating. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you've liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So as you see, I'm on your homepage, and you guys need to have more content here because Google loves content, and you need at least 1500 or more words on your homepage. Also make sure you have correct keywords and your pictures saved in a right way also. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if we come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads, then we see the ads that we used to already, but now in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so some people see this, some of not. And then we see here it's a MacPack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high in these maps, here you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop with whatever the competition has. Then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. So now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. As you see, Yelp, the expertise, the home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. And if you have, for example, a link from the Pizza Hut, it's not gonna do as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at my tools over here, it's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And I see you have 36 referring domains. That gives you 282 backlinks, and you're getting found for 103 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 39 people on average on your site each month. Just to have a picture, I want to show you one of your competitors here. See, they have 713 referring domains. That gives them more than 3,000 backlinks. They're getting found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in this. And that's pretty much it what I had for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call, we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, it will be awesome. And thanks again, and you have a great day.